Look how cute you are. Did you almost fall asleep today? Honey, look at the camera. Maddie, this way. Oh! Be nice. Maddie, Violet. I want to see what you do. Okay, ready? This is a tape for when we leave. We'll never see them while we're gone. Oh. So you can watch them play. This is where Maddie go. Maddie. Don't you want it? No, Violet doesn't like Maddie very much. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah? No.
Yeah, he just called. He said, and Granny put your folder too. And he said,
No, okay.
also your fishing hat.
What about our fishing hat? Okay.
Yeah, I think that's too.
Say goodbye.
But he said, obviously I'm going to have to take this fish off. It's been a long time since I've done it.
I can do it. Say goodbye. I can't do it. Maybe.